Did you know that lighting Sanji's cigarette means walking into the jaws of death? Let me prove it today. During the time at Alabasta, Ace met Luffy's crew. During that time, Sanji drew out a cigarette, and Ace lit it using his devil fruit power. Later we know that Ace lost his life in Marineford. Another instance is Sanji's nothing happened moment during Skypiea when he got a 1000-volt shock from Enel, which indirectly lit Sanji's cigarette with his lightning. Later his heart stopped beating, although he managed to revive himself using his devil fruit power. Technically, he was also dead. Then comes Pedro at Zohu Island. He also lit Sanji's cigarette using his electric powers, and we all know that Pedro lost his life at Whole Cake Island.